Hi, I had 14 beauty products to finish off for the rest of this year to hit my project plan goal. Let's see how I have done in November. Primer, Bourjois Fleur Perfection. Primer, all gone as you can see there. My favorite primer, the Holy Grail one, is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Light. But the brand has kindly gone and discontinued it. So I can't buy it anymore. So what I'm doing is I have a full tube and about half a tube left. So I'm saving it and saving it and saving it and using up all the other primers that I have. So this one's used up. Will I buy it again? I'm actually looking for a primer that is very similar to the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Light. That is oil-free and it is non-comedogenic, and it was recommended to me by an esthetician, and it's worked for, I think, 4 years now. I haven't, gone near another primer until that one was discontinued in 4 years. So if I mean, it's going to be difficult now. I'm going to have to find something that I like, and it will take a while to discover the right primer for me. So I won't be repurchasing this anyhow. Also a primer, but for the brows, Benefit Brow Conditioning Primer. I thought this was ridiculous. Just apply a brow tint and go away. You don't need a brow primer. I mean, I don't know. It doesn't promise to, give you very thick eyebrows or anything, and it doesn't do that anyway, at least not for me. So I don't understand why you would possibly need a brow conditioning primer anyway. Oh well, gimmick. One perfume, if you must, a jasmine roll-on perfume oil. Demeter is the name of the brand. It is made in the USA. Demeter fragrance. Very jasmine-y, very, very, very jasmine-y, but in a pleasant way, so not bad. Will I repurchase? No, got lots of things to use up. This came in, I think, a beauty box a long time ago. Now, everybody's favorite, Dr. Pawpaw multi-purpose balm. I used it up as a lip balm. Oh my god. This should probably have gone into my night management calendar. You know what? I'm going to hang on to this packaging so that I can include it in my night management calendar next year. Toner, Indeli COQ10, that is ubiquinone toner. It was a spray, it was a sample. I liked it, but I won't repurchase it because I prefer the SK2 facial treatment essence that I hold this year. This is much nicer, this is much nicer. So, beats this one, knocks this one out of the ballpark. Will not repurchase. Bath and Body. Sol de Janeiro, Beija Flor, love it. Have repurchased on Black Friday. So how does it rate against the Boom Boom Cream? The Boom Boom Cream has that shimmery finish. It smells nicer. But this doesn't have the shimmery finish, but it helps with reptilian reptilian legs very, very well. Apparently it contains retinol mimicking cacao oil. This will be my go-to body butter once I'm done with all the Bath and Body Works tubes that I have to finish. Hair care product, Garnier Hair Food Banana. I love the smell. Reminds me of that Body Shop banana conditioner back in the day. Banana shampoo and banana conditioner from Body Shop. All gone, as you can see there. Still smelling of bananas. Oh my god, making me hungry. I thought this was a great conditioner. Just condition and go. If you are, not a co-wash actually, but what I now do, my hair care routine, flaxseed gel all over the hair and scalp. Leave it on for an hour or so. Rinse it off. Apply conditioner to the ends. That is this thing. Walk right out. So this one, very, very nice for that purpose. Very hydrating. Will I repurchase? Yes, for Black Friday probably. I want to get one more banana. Maybe try macadamia or one of the other fragrances, papaya or something. Eye Care, Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Complex. All gone. This came in the CEW beauty box and I had to finish it up. I think it's overpriced, and yeah, I'm not really asked about an eye cream in particular right now because, whatever skincare I apply goes right up to here anyway, so I don't really need a separate eye cream. So for that reason, I will not repurchase. So let's take a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 products that I have finished up in November. That leaves me with 6 for December. Will I finish 6 products in December? Let's find out. What have you used up to this month? Do tag me and do let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.